दिखाइए वीडियो। आई एम डॉक्टर विवेक गुप्ता, सीनियर कंसल्टेंट कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट इन अपोलो हॉस्पिटल दिल्ली. We are doing a special case of 2 days old heart attack, which is acute antivalvular. We have shown last shot. दिखा दो जरा. We have done a partial procedure of angioplasty. The wire is already through the LED, and there is some clot. And so what we are planning to do is thrombosuction. Thrombosuction is a procedure, is a method where you can suck out the clot, and that will help in restoration of flow. And this is actually thrombosuction catheter. It's show here. उसका डिब्बा दिखाओ डिब्बा दो. डिब्बा की फोटो ले लीजिए. फिर ऊपर पॉज होता है, पॉज कर दीजिएगा बीच में.
पूरा चलो ठीक है.
दिखाओ डिब्बा दिखाओ. This is thrombosuction thromboster from company कौन सा नाम है? Thromboster medical. But that helps in removal of the clot. So what I am going to do is putting this catheter inside the coronary artery, and then will pull it in the negative section, and that will help. Zoom कर लीजिए. और this is the catheter. Now it is going inside the coronary artery. It will reach the location, and then we will suck out the clot. उधर दिखाइए. हाँ. बीच में pause करते रहिए. Negative लगाओ. Now I'm pushing the catheter, and the catheter will reach. This is the point. You can see a black point, which is reaching the inside the artery. And then we will make a pull.
इसको बंद करके फिर नेगेटिव करिए ना.
हाँ.
एक सेकंड.
Now I am pulling out. I am pulling. So I am being slowly pulling out the tube catheter, which will help in removing the clot. It show there only.
उसको करके बंद कर दीजिए ना. उसको वहाँ से खींच के लॉक कर
हो
दीजिए.
गया लॉक. सर सीनियर लीजिए सीनियर. लॉक अब पुल एंड वो across go across and negative suction. सीनियर आ रहा.
एक बार और पुश करें.
नहीं अभी कुछ नहीं
Across
करिए. अभी आने दीजिए ना.
फ्लोर ऑफ.
निकाल दिया तू.
फ्लोर ऑफ.
चलो ऑफ.
आने दो.
बाहर ले लें कोई बात.
ठीक है. अब इसको
अब तो वहाँ से आ रहा है ना. एक बार और पुश कर दे.
नहीं जब
I am doing another pass. Passage means passage.
खोल.
I am doing another pass to pull out the suction,
और आगे जाइए.
and the tube is there, show there, and then I am slowly pulling out the blood from the coronary artery, and this coronary artery, along with the blood, the clot will come out. This is our assumption.
सीनियर to record.
This is how we can do one more pass,
बस.
and this is how the clot is coming out.
ठीक है सर.
It should come out. Fresh thrombus comes out.
सीनियर.
A thrombosuction method, where we are hopeful that we should be able to have a better flow, and then we'll put a stent. Pause. This is a coronary stent, which is now will deploy this inside the artery. Stent is a hollow cylinder, and we are pushing it through the wire. It will go inside the coronary artery. Zoom करो इसको, दिखा दो how it is going, and then we'll place it precisely at the position जहाँ blockage है. मेरे शक्ल दिखाइए. इसको हम we will place it precisely at the position of blockage. This is a very tricky time because we have to be very careful. Now stent is going. You can see the stent will go in the fluoro, and we have already positioned it at the site of blockage. And then we will confirm with the help of a angiography shot, and then we'll deploy the stent. Stent is between the two markers, and I think I have to push it a little. Slow push. Yes.
रिलीवर सर रिलीवर.
बहुत चला गया. I think it's okay.
एलियो कॉर्डल ले लेते हैं.
थोड़ा पुश कर देते हैं और.
नहीं सर ठीक है.
नहीं, सही है.
एलियो कॉर्डल. एलियो कॉर्डल
हेलो कौन कर लो.
करो. बैटर नहीं है.
पूरा चला गया. साथ खुल रही क्या
नहीं
है?
नहीं ठीक है. रोक लीजिए खांसी को 2 मिनट. परफेक्ट है परफेक्ट. फुला 8.
So we are going to inflate the stent. So back to RA quarter.
जी.
And थोड़ा सा लैसिक देना पड़ेगा इनको. मुझे लगता है
दैट्स 620 फिलहाल.
14 atmosphere. दिखाओ इधर दिखाइए. This is the how we are. This is the inflating with the 14 atmosphere. Go back, and stent is being placed there.
अच्छे से आगे क्लोज.
चेक कर दीजिए.
And now we will put the Nicoran. Nicoran देओ sister. Boost. हैं?
दे देंगे सेट हो जाएगा
ओवर साइज ही है ठीक
बहुत बढ़िया. We are now removing the balloon, which is balloon was the carrier for the stent. So we have removed the. This is how we remove the balloon. The balloon is coming out. इसके ऊपर ही stent होता है. Stent is actually on the balloon. Stent is actually on the balloon. Very small blood. Patient is fully conscious. As you can see, this is actually the balloon. Don't show the face. This is actually balloon. ये carrier था. I will now check the final shot. I will do the angiographic shot again to see how the stent has gone. And this is the procedure, final procedure. It's a very good flow.
Very nice.
And I'm very satisfied. You can see the stent is fully placed, and we can take few more shots, pictures of angiography. Take epicaudal लो. We take another shot. This is how you can see the artery fully, which was not there, is now fully reconstructed artery. This is full reconstruction of the artery. मेरा शक्ल दिखाइए. This is full reconstruction of the artery with the help of an angioplasty technique. But we were very happy to have used the thrombosuction catheter, which has actually helped in removing the clot and getting a good final flow. So overall, I think we can remove the wire.
शॉर्ट ले लेंगे
This is how now finally we are removing the wire, and this is the wire removed. Now the last angiographic shot with double zoom will take, and this will finalize the procedure. Yes, it's TIMI2, almost TIMI3 flow,
एक और ले लो।
and to summarize, angioplasty of a heart attack patient, acute MI, is a little more challenge. Why? Because there is always a clot, a fresh clot, and the fresh clot is an enemy of angioplasty, because if you put a stent, the clot is there and there is no flow, so there is no point and there is no fun. Dr. Amit Sharma will also summarize this case completely. Please summarize the case.
Yeah, this patient had evolved anti-wall MI. 48 hours back, he had chest pain. So basically, and then we did the angio. It was
Loudly.
100% blocked from the origin. So we tried to, we planned to use whisper wire. We crossed it across the wire. First, the wire was not crossing the lesion. Then we took a 1.0 balloon, 1.5 balloon, and with the balloon support, we were able to easily cross it. And then we could dilate it, and the flow eventually came. We gave tirofiban, anti-G, and Nicoran. We were afraid of no flow, but luckily the flow was maintained. And then we put a small stent over the focal lesion.
Thrombosuction.
Thrombosuction was done, so that the whole load of the thrombus, 2 rounds of thrombosuction were done.
Can you show the thrombus here?
Yeah. This is the collected thrombus.
So this is the white. It's a white color.
Red colored thrombus.
Almost red color. Yes, red color, red and whitish color.
Right.
The fresh clot is normally a whitish and reddish tinge. So this was the clot which was inside the artery. I tell you, the artery size is only 2 millimeter or 2.5 millimeter. So since it's such a thin artery, and when you have a clot like this, this will occlude the artery. And I'm very happy to see this clot again.